43 integral of square root of x over 1 plus x cubed dx. Oh boy, what do we do about this one? Can we do a substitution? I don't see an obvious one, but maybe we can do something about it. I don't know. We'll come back to it. Do we want to do integration by parts? I don't think that will help because if u is square root of x, dv is 1 over 1 plus x cubed. I don't want to deal with that. That you can break up, that's a sum of two cubes, right? We can factor it, but then that's a mess. I don't want to do that if I don't have to, okay? Natural angle, I don't want to do a trig sub either. That will make things worse. And I can't do partial fraction decomposition here because I don't know how to, or most Calculus 2 students won't know how to. Okay, so maybe let's try a substitution to help us out here. What can we let u be, though? Maybe let's let u be square root of x. Okay, that's for a chance for something to happen, because if we let u be like x cubed, or even 1 plus x cubed, du would be 3x squared dx. That'll be really hard to represent the square root of x, but we can exponentiate this u equals square x definition to make things a little nicer, maybe. Like u squared is equal to x. I just squared both sides, right? So I can get x cubed by how? I cube both sides. So it'll be u to the 6, because u squared cubed is u to the 6 is x cubed. And then from here, I can get dx as well. 2u du is dx. So our integral, what does it become? Does it become nicer? So we have u for square root of x. Dx is times 2u du. And then the bottom, we have 1 plus u to the 6. All right, this is promising. Why do I say that? Hopefully you kind of see it now. We need to do a little more algebra. We can pull the 2 out in front. You have u squared du on top. Let's rewrite u to the 6 as u cubed squared. So we can let v be u cubed. dv is 3u squared du. So we get 2/3 integral dv over 1 plus v squared. And what is that? That's the arctangent. I need the 2/3 out in front. Can't forget that. 2/3 arctangent of v plus c. And what is v? V is u cubed. And what is u cubed? I don't have it directly. Let's just do it here. U cubed would be x to the half to the 3rd power. So it'll be x to the 3/2 power. X to the 3/2 power. Let's rewrite the plus c. Here's our answer. Okay, so if you're on an exam and you're stuck, you got to try something. And if you watched from the beginning and then jump to the end to get the answer, you saw how I thought through it, or you listened to how I thought through it. I don't want to do integration by parts, not a trig integral, not a trig sub, not partial fraction decomposition. So either you have to resort to integration by parts, or you do a substitution. So try some substitutions, and you might see the light.